Welcome to the introduction for OKMOVEME, the one-stop website built by a team of relocation and moving experts to help in planning, budgeting, and managing the move to your new home, and then settling in and staying comfortable thereafter. First, create a free account. Use your Google or Facebook account or a valid email account to sign up. Remember, we never sell or give out your email address once you connect with an OKMOVEME service partner. You're in charge of what information you share under their terms of use and privacy policies, as well as your communication preferences. Once you log in, your personal dashboard appears with your email, name, move stage, and move date. Select one of 4 move stages depending on where you are with your move. Making a plan, Move Me, Just Moved In, or Everyday Living, from the drop-down menu to get started. You can also upload an image or avatar. Here, you add required fields with your from and to location, desired price ranges, home size, and whether you're working with a real estate agent, mortgage broker, or mover. This helps us better service you with specific resources. Finally, check the box on the bottom, allowing us to email you with the pro tips and deals. Click Submit and you will be taken to the OKMOVEME Marketplace. Along the left-hand side of the screen are square tiles for each of the 4 stages of your move. Clicking a tile opens up a list of resources immediately to the right of the tile. Scroll up and down for all the resources. Selecting a resource populates the Resources section, providing direct links to curated service providers' deals from local merchants and many of your favorite brands like Amazon, Best Buy, and Walmart. Approved by OKMOVEME's editorial staff. To personalize your move, click the heart icon next to a link to make it a favorite and stay organized with all of your favorite links in one place. We help take the stress out of the move. You'll also notice a checklist for each of the 4 moving sections. We've pre-populated the customizable checklist for your convenience. Check next to the item to cross it out to mark it complete. You can also add your own tasks and click Select All to see the entire list. To exit, click the arrow on the top right. So that's everything for now. OKMOVEME works to save time, money, and stress. We will send helpful emails to keep you focused and to receive offers and deals for moving-related goods and services. Here's to a great move and settling into the new place.